Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn portrait photos into landscape in Photoshop without distorting your image. So sometimes you get pictures like this that you may have to transform to make it into a landscape, and you end up making the picture blur or maybe distorted. But this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it without distorting your image. Without much ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing is to get your image. We are going to get or use this image as our object for the work. So the first thing is to come to the lasso tool over here, zoom in for it to be perfect so you can see everything we are going to do, and then you use the lasso tool to draw a line around the image you are using. Kindly follow how it's done so you don't end up missing or you don't end up doing the wrong thing. I'm going to try again. So you start by drawing a line across or around the image you are using. So this is the image I'm using. You just draw the line, forget about how crooked it's going to be or how it's going to look like. Once you are done with your line, you right click and you come to save selection, and then you name it B, or just give it a name. So I'll say Manuel, and then press OK. You right click anywhere on the page, and then you come to edit, and then you come to content aware skill. There are some of the Photoshop software that is now content aware fill, but for now, for this one, it's content aware skill. You press that one, zoom in nicely, and then you come to Manuel, or you come to, yes, this one, Manuel over here, and then now you press shift, then you begin to fix your image into whatever you are doing. So you can see that the background is moving, but then the image is still perfect. So you can see the background is moving, but the image is still perfect in shape. Even though you can see that the background has distorted, the image is still perfect in shape, and it has not moved. So you get to have your image perfectly done without any distortion or any distraction. So this is basically how to turn portrait photos into landscape without not touching your image, the image still being in touch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.